Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Comcast account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Comcast, go open your web browser. Type in comcast.com and you'll be automatically redirected to my.xfinity.com. In order to log into Comcast or Xfinity, click on the sign in link at the upper right corner. Enter the credentials needed in order to log in. Type in your email, your mobile number, or your username in the first text field. You can enter any one of them. Once you're done, move on to the next text field and type in the password for your account. To stay signed in to your account, check this box that says Stay Signed In. If you are using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box before logging in. In case you've forgotten your Xfinity ID or your password, you can click on Forgot Xfinity ID or Password link right below the sign in button. Follow the instructions to look for your Xfinity ID or to reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create One and register yourself first. Finally, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into Comcast account just with a click. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.